Assalamualaikum, this is Iqra Saeed Ahmed from Black Castle, and today we are going to solve some questions that are related to prime factorization, but using two methods. One method is tree method, and other one is using division method. So first questions 4. Draw the factor trees to show the prime factors of a given numbers. First one is 15. So 15 is a composite number, so that's why we have to break it into two smallest part. 3 multiplied by 5, 3 5s are 15. So 3 is a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. Circled them. Got it? So again we don't have any composite number to break it into two smallest part. That's why our question is completed. So at the end of the questions we have two prime factors that are 3 and 5. The 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15. It means 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. Now move to the question B. 20. So 20 है. So 20 is a composite number. Break it into two smallest part. 2 10 लास्ट पे हमारे पास यहाँ पे 0 आ रहा है. इट्स मीन डिविजिबल बाय 2 है. 2 10s are 20. So 2 is a prime factor. Circled it, and 10 is a composite number. Break it into two smallest part. 2 multiplied by 5. 2 5s are 10. So 2 is a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. We know 2 and 5 are both prime numbers. So we don't have any prime number to break it into two smallest part. That's why our question is completed. So at the end of this question we have 2 2 and 5 are composite number. So 2 2 and 5 are the prime number of 20. So how to multiply them? 2 2s are 4, then 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Now move to the next. 14. Again 14 is a composite number. Break it into the two parts. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. So 2 and 7 both are prime numbers. That's why we circled them. So we don't have any composite number to break it into two smallest part. That's why we question is end. At the end of this question we have two prime numbers 2 and 7. 2 7s are 14. So 14 have two factors 2 and 7. Now move to the next. 8. So 2 4s are 8. 2 is a prime number. Circle them, and 4 is a composite number. Break it into the two parts. 2 2s are 4. At the end of this question, so 2 and 2 is also a prime number. तो अब हमारे पास कितने prime numbers आए हैं? 2 2 and 2. How to multiply them? 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So 8 has 3 prime factors that are 2 2 and 2. Got it? Now E 21. So 21 है not divisible by 2. So divisible by 3 है. 3 7s are 21. So 3 multiplied by 7. 21 22. Again 22 लास्ट में 2 है. इट्स मीन divisible by 2 है. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. So 2 multiplied by 11. So 2 is a prime number and 11 is also a prime number. So we don't have any composite number to break it into two parts. That's why 22 has two prime factors that are 2 and 2. Now 16. 2 multiplied by 8. 2 is a prime number and 8 is a composite number. Again break it into two parts. 2 multiplied by 4. 2 is a prime number. Circled it, and 4 is a composite number. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 and 2 is also a prime number. So we have got 2 2 2 and 2 are the prime factors of 16. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. Okay. Now 27 को भी बिल्कुल सेम इसी तरह से करना है. and 42. come to the 42. 42 है. 2 लास्ट पे आ रहा है. इट्स मीन डिविजिबल बाय 2 है. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 42. 2 multiplied by 21. Okay, so 2 is a prime number and 21 is a composite number. Again 21 है, 2 3 sevens are 21. 21 3 के टेबल में आएगा ना. Very good. So 3 sevens are 21. So 3 and 7 both are prime numbers, so circled them. At the end we don't have any composite number to break it into two parts. That's why question is completed. And at the end of the questions we have 2, 3 and 7 are the prime factors of 42. Got it? How to multiply them? 3 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Got it?